Well, today for my evening meal I'm going to try and cook a chicken parmesan with spaghetti. 9% saturated fats, sodium 28%, that's about it. Oh, a bit of fibre in there, 11%. But seeing as I'm on my own today, I'm going to try a smart one. And it comes in a packet like this, and I think you have to prick it. And we're going to put it in the microwave for, how long do I put this in for? Let me look. It says 6 minutes. So we're just going to put it in the microwave, turn it on for 6 minutes. And we're going to see how it tastes when it's ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get a plate. I've never tried one of these before, so I'm hoping it's going to taste very nice. It's a product of USA, and it's got chicken and spaghetti in it. So we're going to see if it's worth a microwave meal. See if it's cooked yet, and maybe it need a bit longer. No, it's still frozen, so it must be longer than 6 minutes. So I'm going to try again. And in the meantime, I hope you like my apron. It's something I bought for my kitchen, for Nana's kitchen. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. I'm only joking. Right, let's see how it's gone. See if it's turned out okay. Ha ha. Oh, it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. Let's take the cover off. And now we're going to plate it up on a plate, because I don't like having it in plastic. There we go, that's a chicken. And there's a spaghetti. And like I said before, it's just a quick meal because we had a long weekend, Canada Day. Just put that there. And now for the taste. I'm going to taste the chicken first. Not too bad, a bit rubbery. I'm trying the spaghetti. Just 1 minute, I'm not very good Italian. The spaghetti's nice, but I'm not so sure about this chicken, it's a bit rubbery. Try it again. No, it's not too bad. No. Compared to what I make at home, proper chicken, it's a bit rubbery. Well, it's this one, so please comment if you've ever tried this one and just see if it's any good. Marks out of 10, 5. Okay, and I hope you like my new pinny. Thank you. Have a nice day.